My Isle. My Isle, I want to change the look of thee. I want to set me foot by Hoodie Shabana and screeve we stone me name i the sand, hey the rolling waves wipe it away. I long to rise up with thy belly button and chuck the keeper hatch of floor, it'll fa with the wind and harp thee in gold. I want to burst the Watapana, turn its face to the east and squeeze its juice to fill myself full with the force of the primitive Indian. I'd love to grip thy body, turn it the heady cra for thee to play with the treasure that hides deep within thy soul. I want to penetrate thy mind like an idea, or the stream like the truth of the morn, like flesh coming together. I want to be in thee, so thou can be in me. I want me and thee to be one, and I want to guide thee like the creelsman guides his boat to set his pots. I want to whisk thee awa and run off with thee, rax the sun with thee and set thee atop the world at the highest spot, so thou can be a god who can mark a soul and then kill him and hide him deep down in the warm belly. My Isle, I want to change the look of thee.